Hey everyone, it's Aaron here, your boy. I've come to you to tell you I've made a mistake. I forgot to buy Chelsea a Valentine's Day present. So we're gonna do the only thing we know how to do to make up for it, and that's bake, y'all. Let's get to work. Alright y'all, it's your boy Baking with Aaron. We back again here. Gotta make Chelsea that Valentine's Day present because we all know I didn't buy her one. So we're gonna get started here on our strawberry angel food cake here. So we got some pre-granulated sugar that we food processed down, and then we got this is cake flour. If you guys don't have cake flour, fun trick, you can actually put a cup in, take 2 tablespoons out, and put 2 tablespoons of cornstarch in, and you sift that in together, and boom, you get cake flour. And we also got salt in there too. So we're gonna put that in here, and try your best not to spill it like I'm about to. Oh. Okay, we're gonna get that in there in a minute. Voila. All right, so we back. We got 12 egg whites over here, 12, and we're gonna add in some cream of tartar, right? And then we're gonna start whisking that up until we get some soft peaks. Soft, very soft. Not stiff this time, we want soft peaks. All right, I apologize. We got ahead of ourselves. We didn't want soft peaks yet. We just wanted foamy, like so. But now we're gonna get them soft peaks going. We're gonna add in about 3/4 a cup of some sugar and some vanilla. And now we're gonna get it nice and soft peaks now. Okay everyone, so now we got some soft peaks over here with our egg whites and sugar. So we're gonna start adding in our flour. But for an angel food cake, you wanna make sure it's nice and as light as possible. So we're gonna sift our flour in, and you wanna do it in 3 phases, okay? So phase 1, you just do a little bit, and you wanna sift it in, right? Oh yeah. Make sure you get it all in there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. All right. And then next, you want to be careful. You want to use a rubber spatula, and you just want to fold it in. What do you do, Chelsea? You fold it.
You fold it?
You fold it. You're folding it in. You're not mixing. You're folding. And then you just repeat that 2 more times until you have a batter. Okay, so we got our batter ready over here. So we're gonna put it into our little cylinder pan here, and we're gonna bake it. And you wanna make sure it gets in there pretty evenly. So we're gonna go around the whole pan. Ooh. All right. And you know the trick, y'all, that we like to do here. Give it a little jiggle. Make sure it's in there even. And so next, we got our middle rack at 325. You want a low temperature, okay? And we're gonna put it in there for a long time, for 40 to 45 minutes. But we ain't done yet. See you soon. Alright, bakers, so we've waited 40 minutes through the power of editing, and now we gotta take our cake out. So first things first, with any cake, we want to make sure it's done with our handy dandy toothpick. Look at that, nothing on it. Nothing on it, which means, what does that mean, Chelsea?
She done.
She done. All right, so with this cake, it's very important while it cools, that you cool it upside down. Okay? We haven't practiced. This is our first time trying this, so bear with me. 3, 2, 1. Oh wait, hold on. Hold on, the struggle is real. Oh, it's hot. Okay, 3, 2.
I'm scared.
It's really hot. I don't know how to flip it.
Why don't you just flip it? Oh god.
And we're gonna let it cool there. Alright y'all, so as you can tell, our cake is nice and cool. So now we're gonna flip it out of the pan onto our nice little cake holder here. And
Uh-oh.
sometimes you gotta, kind of stick it out here. We got a knife here.
Woo!
Ooh. Oh, it's a little dimply up here. It's okay. It's still gonna taste good. We'll be back when we finish decorating it. All right, y'all. It's your boy Baking with Aaron. We back again. As you can tell, our cake is nice and cool. We got it out of the pan last night, and so we're gonna get to decorating it here. So we're actually gonna put strawberries in the middle of it. So first thing we gotta do is cut it in half. So we're gonna do that right now. We got our bread knife for that. And we're just gonna do our best here to cut it in half. All right, now we can take the top off. Try not to break it. Oof. All right. All right, so next we got our little ice cream scoop here. We made some pink whipped cream frosting here. So we're gonna put that on our cake here. Just a couple scoops. Okay. And then we're gonna take our frosting knife, and we're just gonna scoop around. Make it nice and even all the way around. Okay, and we're gonna put some strawberries in here. Some strawberries.
I would use your hand.
We want to get lots of straws in here. Okay everyone, as you can see, we got our frosted cake over here. So next we got our sprinkle concoction. Just for some extra decor. We're just gonna sprinkle bay it on top. You're gonna want some more than that. Maybe a little bit more. Try not to get it all over the place, because you'll be finding sprinkles for months. And voila. Hey, Chelsea.
Yeah.
Hey, I forgot to get you a Valentine's Day present.
Really?
But I made you this delicious cake.
Oh, sweet. Jax wants some.
You want some too, bud?
What kind is it?
It's a strawberry angel food cake.
Yum. Really good.
All right, y'all. So this last ingredient we had in here was a secret ingredient. It was love. So, just make sure you put lots of love in your baking and everything. And, make sure to hit the subscribe button and like it below and tell me what you're going to want me to bake next. Keep baking with Aaron.